Paper 1, Foundation. Let's do some quick algebra. Simplify 15a over 3. In this case, 15 divided by 3 equals to 5. A is not divisible by anything, so it stays. Easy, 1 mark. Simplify 19 plus 5b plus 4c minus 7b plus c. Let's underline what we see in common. C, C, B, and B. Okay, so 19 stays. Positive b minus 7b, negative 2b, 4c plus c, it's 5c. Easy, 2 marks. Factorize this. So what's the highest common factor in this case? In this case, it's 2. So we take 2 out, and 4d minus 3 goes into the bracket.